The people of Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir (IIOJK) are still fighting for their right to self-determination as pledged by the United Nations. This struggle has been ongoing for decades, with Kashmiris facing immense oppression and human rights abuse. In a recent incident, an India paramilitary vehicle hit and martyred a youth in Srinagar. This incident has sparked widespread outrage and condemnation. Additionally, curbs have been imposed in Doda district for the fourth consecutive day, restricting the movement of people and essential supplies. The closure of the Srinagar-Jammu highway has brought the Handwara fruit mandi to a standstill, causing significant economic losses to local farmers and traders. In another incident, 667 homes of Bengali-speaking Muslims were demolished in Assam, leaving many families homeless and vulnerable. Locals clashed with police in Manipur's Churachandpur town for preparations were underway for Prime Minister Modi's visit. In Gujarat, a Muslim teenage boy was tortured in police custody, sparking widespread outrage and calls for justice. The Shiv Sena has also condemned the arrest of Maharaj Malik, terming it as an attack of constitutional rights.